Oh no, Lenderman shop friends, it's happened again. I have broken another wheel on my second YG-1550. You can see it right there, it's about to fall off. Fortunately, as you well know, I have a spare parts machine sitting in the garage, so I'm going to take this Yard Force wheel and attach it over there for my next mowing. I just got done the yard, so I'm in good shape for today. You notice that these wheels don't, I mean, look how wobbly that left wheel is there. They are like that from the factory. I did not put these wheels on. They came like this on this machine. This is my second one of these that I bought just over a year ago. So if you buy one of these machines and you put any hard work on it, then you can expect this to go within a year's time or so, give or take. I assume that when I go around all my trees and I'm cutting to the left, as a lot of us do, because the chute's on the right side, so we cut to the left around trees, it puts a bit of stress on that back right wheel. Okay, just thought I'd give you an update on again, this is my second Yardmax machine that I bought just a year ago. All right, let me take care of this one. Till the next video, have a great day.